You've been listening to the same monotonous buzzer for 40 years. UVB-76, Russia's most mysterious radio station, broadcasts nothing but a repetitive tone from somewhere near Moscow. But twice a year, something breaks through. A voice speaks numbers in Russian, coordinates that lead nowhere, names of people who don't exist. Intelligence agencies worldwide monitor every transmission, yet nobody understands the code. The broadcasts never stop, even when the station should be unmanned. Follow. There are signals we're not supposed to hear.